Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of effective management. Whether you're a student just starting out or someone looking to sharpen their organizational skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what an organization is. At its core, an organization is a group of people working together to achieve common goals. Think of a school. It's an organization focused on educating students. Now, every organization has a vertical structure. This is just a fancy way of saying it has levels of authority. Imagine a pyramid. At the top, you have the CEO, followed by managers, supervisors, and finally, employees. Delegation is another key concept. This is when someone with authority assigns tasks to another person. For example, a manager might delegate report writing to their assistant. Next, let's dive into organizational design theories. Traditional theories emphasize formal structure, hierarchy, and clear roles. Think of a factory with strict rules and a clear chain of command. On the flip side, there's simple organizational design. Here you have fewer levels of hierarchy and the owner or manager has direct control. Picture a small bakery run by a couple. They handle everything themselves. Functional organization design is another important concept. This structure is based on specialized functions like marketing, finance, and HR. Imagine a company with departments for sales, accounting, and production. Moving on to staffing and human resources. Staffing is the process of hiring, training, and maintaining the workforce. For example, recruiting and training new salespeople. Human resource management, or HRM, is all about managing people effectively. It's about ensuring optimum organizational performance. This includes managing employee benefits and complying with labor laws. A primary function of staffing is to ensure the right person is in the right job at the right time. Key activities involved in staffing include job analysis, recruitment, selection, training, appraisal, and promotion. When it comes to hiring and training, recruitment is the first step. This involves attracting qualified candidates to apply for jobs. An example would be posting job ads on LinkedIn. Selection is next, choosing the most suitable candidate from those recruited. This might involve interviews and testing. External recruitment means hiring candidates from outside the organization. For example, recruiting a new manager through a job fair. Once hired, training employees enhances their skills and knowledge. Imagine customer service training for new hires. End of employment can happen in several ways, such as retirement, resignation, or termination. For example, an employee might retire at 60 after 30 years of service. Rewards can be monetary, like bonuses or salary increases, or non-monetary, like an Employee of the Month plaque. Motivation and leadership are crucial. Motivation is the internal drive to achieve objectives. For example, an employee working hard to get promoted. Leadership, on the other hand, is the ability to influence others toward achieving goals. Think of a team leader guiding members during a project. Communication and control are also key. Effective communication involves exchanging information clearly, like sending a memo about new policies. Controlling means monitoring activities to ensure they meet objectives, like supervisors checking daily sales reports. And there you have it, the essentials of effective management. Remember, understanding these basics can set you up for success in any organization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. See you next time.